Hello, everyone. In this video, I want to show you a very simple example on text padding. So let us say we have a list of names and you want to hide a part of it. So maybe you want to send this data across to someone and you don't want them to be privy to the entire name. So maybe the last 3 or 4 characters is what you would like to hide. So what we're doing here is that I will take the original data and we'll find the length. And that is going to be 13 characters, including the space. So what we would like to do now is to subtract 4 from this, and that will give us 9, which means that if I want to do a left, it will essentially only take the first 9 characters. So another way of saying that from all the names, I just want to take the first 9 characters, not the rest. So the last 4 characters have been removed. And instead of showing the actual letters in the last 4 characters, so I don't want to show GMAN, we would like to concatenate this with maybe an asterisk. So I will just repeat a text a certain number of times. So I want to repeat an asterisk 4 times like this. And that works. Now, some of you might be wondering, why don't we just put an asterisk 4 times? Why do we have to use the repeat function? Because this allows us to make it dynamic. For example, if I say characters to hide, and we say we want to hide 4 characters, now I can simply say, rather than writing 4, I can select the cell, and the same thing happens here as well. Now see what happens. Let me put a $sign as well. Perfect. Now, if I say 0, then I get the complete name. But if I say 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, it's pretty cool, right? What it is able to do now is to hide the number of characters that we choose. Let's look at the formula one more time. So it looks like this, everyone. Now, we might also want to hide only the last name. Let's see how to do that. Now, what we would like to do here is to first get the first name that we already know. So we can just say left, and I would like to find a space -1, and that gives us Aaron. And similarly, we'll get the first name for everybody. This is okay. But after this, we would like to add a space. So if I remove the -1, we will essentially get the name along with a space at the end, which in this case is a good thing. We want that. Now I would like to repeat the asterisk. How many times? The number of times that, or rather the length of the last name. So if my last name is Bergman, which is 9 characters, I want to repeat the asterisk 9 times. So we will simply say that we would like to concatenate. What? I would like to repeat an asterisk. How many times? We will find the length of the entire name, which is B8, minus find a space within B8. So this way, the length, of course, is 13 characters. Space is the 6th character. So 13 minus 6 will be 7. And if I add 7 asterisks, the result, everyone, will be like this. So essentially what we're doing here is that we are hiding only the surname, and it doesn't matter what the length of the first name or the surname is. We get the result perfectly like this. So very interesting example, and I'm sure you can think of a lot of different use cases for this as well.